Hello everyone. This is my oral presentation English Level 2. First, introduce myself. 2. Talk about my trip experience in San Andres Island. 3. The water in San Andres Island. And to finish, recommendation if you go to San Andres Island. First, this is me. I am Adriana Gomez. I was born and live in Bogota City. I live with my boyfriend Rolando and with my cat called Paula. Now I am at the Environmental Engineering program at UNAT Bogota. I like to go at ecological walks, watch movies in my house, listen my favorite music, and spend time with my family. Let's continue with my experience in San Andres Island. Last vacation I went to San Andres Island. I stayed there for 3 days and went with my boyfriend. I like it because it was cheap. I just paid on $1,500 all includes. I like it because there are a lot of places to visit. For example, I went to the aquarium and liked it a lot. I came back the same week because I started working the next Thursday. The water in San Andres Island is warm and sunny. The beach is breezy and beautiful. Some days it is cloudy and rainy. Now I want to give some tips to want to do in San Andres Island. First, when it is sunny, this is important that people use some black lotion. 2. This is recommended that you wear some clothes, sunglasses, sandals, and hat or cap. 3. This is better that you feel the sand and water of your feet. 4. It's a good area that you see the sunrise in the beach. 5. This good idea that you write of mangrove. 6. This is advisable that you trip it boat with glass base to see the marine mammals. 7. It's essential that you attend at the musical show. It is very good. And to finish, this is important that you eat typical dish, such as rondon and lobster. What the people should do? The people should go to beach, the aquarium cave, and should dive. What the people should don't do? The people should not catch waves in the sea, and they should break sea shall not coral sail. Okay, this is all. Thanks you for your attention.